Hi, what's up, Anchor coin holder? Anchor coin this time, my friend, very badly fell us down. Minus 17.89%. They are lost. Don't worry, my friends. I will give you a very good news. And absolutely, if you want to earn money in a crypto, if you want to earn money in Anchor, so it's a very important to you. Will watch this 2 minute video. Absolutely, I will give you a very good advice now. And I will tell you, my friends, too, you will earn a lot of money. So this time, my friend, as you can see here, Anchor coin minus 17.89%. The price is decreased now, and one reason, my friends, one reason to the price will dumps down, and the reason was that, my friends, to please don't starting selling. Definitely, if you starting selling, so the coin will face down. But if you are hold, so I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will give you a very good profits. They cannot face down, and they will completely make you millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Love is take care.